These are ways that AI has made my workflow in Lightroom very easy. So I'm going to show you the places that AI has made workflow in Lightroom easy for me. So we're going straight to the point to see what happens. The first thing here is the introduction of this in the mask area. If you come to the masking area, so this is the first place you come to the mask area, introduction of the people selection tool. If I click on the people selection tool, it is capable of dictating a person from face to body, to eyebrow, to lips, to teeth, to face, facial hair, and then even clothes. So you can selectively make a decision based on how you want to make an adjustment without stressing yourself selecting it manually. So if I click on clothes and I'm interested in adding contrast to this cloth, now what can I do? I'll just come add contrast to the clothes, and the clothes only will have contrast attached to it and still stand out. Nothing else will be affected with ease. So that is one. Then the next one here is the sky selection tool or subject selection tool. Now see this. Fast, seamless, and excellent. See, subject selection. The subject is perfectly detected. In previous versions, it was a little shaky here and there, but right now, the subject selection is excellent, like no flaw. No flaw. The person in that detail is perfectly selected. That's number 2. Now, the next one is lens blow. Come down here. Come to lens blow. If you click lens blow and apply it, it will perfectly dictate the background, separate subject, and gives you multiple rooms to choose what you like, depending on the type of effect you want. So as you can see, it will give you options. You have first one, you have second one, you have third one, you have fourth one. So these are multiple lens effects. You know how to do lens blow. Though I'm going to do a better video on this with time, it allows you to actually determine the intensity of lens blow you want. You know, everything is so excellent. This is before and this is after. Excellently done. The subject separated correctly, the background in a very good depth of field. That's number 2 or number 3. Now, the next one is the remove tool. So if you come here now, you see that it permits you to use AI now to select a particular place in your image and make correction. Now, I want to remove this pole in this image, right? As you can see, there's a pole here. So let's zoom in. Let's see. This is a pole on this end that, I don't really like how it says. So let's see what it can do for me here. I'll have to do this in this pole like this. Select the pole independently and remove. Just click your remove, and then boom, it's going to give you room to actually remove that pole with ease without stressing yourself. Then when it removes this for you, it's going to give you variation. Do you like this or do you like that? So once the pole is in, it will give you variation 1, variation 2, variation 3. So I like variation 2. I prefer variation 2 because it gives me back the details of this fence. That is how excellent it has become. There are many other ways that actually AI has made working here easy, but over time we'll discuss more and make it lengthy, and then I'll actually show us how to use it. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and then turn on your post notifications, share to people that need to see it, and see you in the next one.